All right, we're gonna have to go back to Foley now. That fish toasted you. Told you.
I was in a bad angle, so I had to like lock it into myself.
My back was about to go.
back, yeah.
Here you go. This is. You want me to turn this on? Let me keep going. I just turned it off.
All right, who wants me? Who wants me?
You're up next. You may finish.
Fucking bring it on, motherfucker.
You're gonna
I'm
finish
taking
it
it
off.
Just Paul, just get on it.
Yeah. You're gonna.
No
Here
problem.
it is.
No, he's got the leader. Woo, that's a nice one, Paul.
8.5 feet. 8.5 feet? Oh no. No, I don't think so either.
6 feet.
Yeah.
No, it's not. A nice size mouth though.
I don't feel a tap.
Alright, good. Snip them. Come around the face, get a picture of them.
Hey, they could look at sharks though. Like they're fucking.
Oh, there's a shot. Did you snap it? Yeah. Alrighty, that was a good one.